everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys doing very well, and in today's video I'm going to do two different makeup look. First is right here, it's more like a simple and neutral makeup look, and second is more bold look. So before we jump into the video, please click the red button and subscribe my channel so we can grow our YouTube family. So without any further ado, let's move on to the video.
So firstly, I'm going to use this Garnier anti-aging moisturizer. Then I'm using this pack moisturizer lotion for some extra hydration. Then I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible Matte Foundation. This is such a nice foundation. It has a full coverage, as you guys can see. Now I'm going to use this concealer by CoverGirl. For powder, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. Now I'm using this beautiful HUDA beauty palette and using this color to applying on my crease. I just want my eye look more simple. Firstly, I'm taking this lipstick by MAC. Then I realized that this shade is not goes well with my eye look. Then I'm taking my Maybelline matte lipstick. Now it looks more amazing and perfect with my eye look.
So that's the final result of my first look. This is more like a simple and fresh look. I love this look because this is so simple to create, and I'm also enjoying this look. I hope you guys also enjoyed and love this look. And without any further ado, let's move on to the next look.
So I just removed all my eye makeup and lip shades. Now I'm taking this light shade and applying on my crease. So I just want my eyes more light and simple, so I used this color and applying all over my eyelid. Now I'm taking this black shade and applying on my lash lines so that my eyes looks more open and attractive. Now I'm just reapplying my blush and bronzer. Now I'm just adding this highlighter to add some extra glow.
Result of second makeup look. So basically this look for those who love bold lips with simple eye makeup look. I hope you guys enjoying my both looks. I love both looks, and which is your favorite look, please let me know in the comment section down below. Bye and see you in my next video.